Hi guys, how it going everybody? Welcome back. Today I wanted to talk about web hosting. So for your beginner out there that are still getting into the web world of web hosting, you might be wondering what is web hosting. Web hosting is services that allow individual and organization to make their website accessible on the internet. It's crucial aspect of building and maintaining a website as it provides the necessary infrastructure and support for the website to be accessed by user around the world. When a website is created is built using combination of coding knowledge such as HTML, CSS and JavaScript, and it's stored on computer or a server. In order for the website to be accessible on the internet, it need to be hosted on a server that it connecting to the internet, and this is where web hosts come in. Now, if you are in the market of good, reliable, secure, and consistent web hosts, I recommended either Hostinger or Bluehost. Both of these web hosting services are very reliable, and these are my two most recommended. I personally like to use Hostinger, but I just wanted to give you guys an extra option. If you are interested in Bluehost, either way you will find the full review. If you have like to learn a little bit more about these web hosting services in the description down below, as well as link to pricing and discount. Web hosting companies such as Hostinger and Bluehost provide servers that can store and manage website, and they also provide the necessary technical support and maintenance to ensure that the website is always up and running. There are several different type of web hosting, each with its own unique feature and benefit. Let's start with shared hosting. Shared hosting is the most basic and affordable type of web hosting. Is shared hosting. Multiple websites are hosted on a single server, and the resources of the server are shared among all the websites. This is a great option for small business and personal websites that do not have a lot of traffic or require a lot of resources. Now, VPS hosting is a more advanced type of web hosting that provide greater control and flexibility. In VPS hosting, a website is hosted on a virtual server, which is a partition of a physical server. This allows each website to have its own dedicating resources, and it also provides more control over the server, making it a great option for websites that have higher traffic or more demanding requirement. Next, you have dedicating hosting, and Hostinger does not provide dedicating hosting, so we are going to have to go to Bluehost for this. Here we go, we have dedicating hosting right here, which is the most advanced and expensive type of web hosting. And dedicating hosting a website is hosted on its own physical server. This provides the greater level of control and resources, make it a great option for very large businesses or websites that receive a lot of traffic, which is why it's very inexpensive option. Cloud hosting is a newer type of web hosting that is becoming increasingly popular. A website is hosted on a web network or server that are connecting to the internet. This provides greater scalability, flexibility, as the website can automatically use more resources as needed. In addition to shared hosting, VPS hosting, dedicating hosting, and cloud hosting, you have also have a commerce hosting and WordPress hosting, which are just more specialized type of web hosting. You can also find more type of web hosting depending on the web hosting provider that you are going with. For example, Hostinger has specialized hosting such as hosting for agencies, cyber panel hosting, and Minecraft server hosting.